Am I gonna get like a worm wrangler, or is this all me?
It might be all you.
Okay.
He touched him. Okay.
You ready?
Yep. Just grab a handful first, maybe, or you can have one. Jessica's gonna eat worms.
Oh,
Jessica's
there's
gonna
dirt.
eat worms.
Disgusting.
It's organic.
Mark, you were supposed to wash the dirt off.
I washed most of it off. Like, what do you want from me?
You ready?
Yep.
Not a professional worm washer.
I'm kind of scared.
Oh my god.
Sick. Nice.
Oh,
yeah.
It's gonna be so much fun to draw.
Oh my god. Are you trying to go down your throat?
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Here, want some more?
Yeah. Let's do some more. Oh, sick grass.
You have worms in your mouth, but grass is what
Grass.
grosses you out?
Stick your hand out how you did, like right at the end. After you put them in your mouth, and then have your hand. I'm not big. Thank you.
Put it in your mouth.
Yeah, pretty much.
In your motherfucking mouth.
There's some like really wonderful things going on. It's all up here. That's all.
Mine never matter.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, there's so much
Jessica
grass.
loves worms.
Grass might make it look better.
Yeah?
Throw some grass in there with it. Like if you had like
Yo, they're trying to go on the ground.
if you had like really like not the dirt that they gave you, but like
Real dirt?
yeah, like real dirt, like soil, and that was
Yeah,
in your
some are,
mouth,
like,
that'd look
seriously trying
awesome.
to get they're like halfway in the ground. Okay, you want to do some grass too?
You leaving this dude all alone.
You're
What about that dude?
You're
Dude,
making
I don't
her
like
put
that.
grass in her mouth now, Mark?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a long one. Oh,
Yeah.
you
Oh, they're
need that
not
one.
happy. I can tell. They're like, oh.
You need this one.
That one? Oh, this one's like alive.
Well,
They're all
yeah.
alive. Do you bite it in half?
Oh, grass. Oh.
Oh my, did you bite it in half?
Yeah? No, don't get away. You're mine. This is so mental.
And whose idea was this?
It's all me, baby. Do I look terrified? Am I like,
No, you
Okay.
don't. You look like you're into it.
sweet? No! They like really latch in on the ground, like I'm gonna hurt them.
Oh wow.
Yeah. They're like making them run.
Try to get them so like they're like, yeah, all coming out. I'm gonna put you closer. Try to stop them now. Like close your lips.
That is so gnarly.
I don't even know what it looks like. I can only feel
It
it.
looks really cool.
Your battery's dying, yo. It's giving me a little flashy battery thing.
Oh well.
Just gonna go till it dies.
All right. Okay, we'll do it one more time.
Okay.
She's like, okay, sure, I love eating worms.
It's all for photographs.
That's cool too, like that. Do one more like that. Okay, now put them in. Sketch cool. Keep your eyes open too a little. That's good. Nice. So like Medusa, but like
Yeah.
they just keep coming out.
Like,
I think they're like
it's like
all out
sexy
and,
and disturbing. Like, I don't know whether I should go rub one out or go take a shower. It's like I don't know what to do. I'm thinking about maybe doing both at the same time.
Oh, the grass is dirty.
That's Mark's fault.
Green looks good though.
Ew, crap.
No, it's like goes to the back of your throat. The worms don't go there really. They want out.
There.
Oh, they're so unhappy.
There's a bunch of different ones, but if you want to
That is so awesome.
All right, say bye.
Bye.